Most women assume serious anti-aging results require serious money. A $185 serum, a $120 eye cream, a $300 moisturizer from a brand with a clinical-sounding name, and a counter at Neiman Marcus. Some of the best formulas for mature skin have been hiding in plain sight at the drugstore for years. 5 products. 5 problems, all under $35. Starting with number 5. Number 5. Timeless 20% Vitamin C plus E ferulic acid serum. Around $25. Most women who buy a luxury vitamin C serum do not know what they are paying for. They know the brand. They know the price. They have seen the before and after photographs. If your skin has lost its glow, if dark spots have appeared that weren't there 5 years ago, you have probably been told that vitamin C is the answer. You may also have noticed the price. SkinCeuticals C Ferulic is one of the most widely referenced vitamin C serums in dermatology. Dermatologists recommend it. Estheticians swear by it. It sells for $185. Most women would never knowingly pay 7 times more for the same 3 ingredients. But that is exactly what happens every day. And by the end of this list, you will see an even bigger version of the same pricing logic. The formula is built around 3 ingredients: 20% L-ascorbic acid, vitamin E, and ferulic acid. That specific combination, vitamin C stabilized by vitamin E and ferulic acid, is the most documented antioxidant trio in published skincare research. Together, they have been shown to enhance the skin's protection against UV damage more than either ingredient alone. That is the science the $185 price tag is built on. SkinCeuticals held a patent on this specific stabilization method for nearly 2 decades. When that patent expired, the underlying chemistry became available to other formulators. Timeless is one of the brands that used it. Same 3 actives, same 20% concentration. Fragrance-free, paraben-free, around $25. One thing worth knowing, vitamin C serums at this concentration can cause mild tingling on first use, particularly on sensitive skin. That applies equally at $25 and at $185. If sensitivity is a concern, start every other morning and build from there. Who it works for? Women dealing with dark spots, uneven tone, or dullness who have been told vitamin C is worth using, but not told it doesn't have to cost what a dinner out costs. The next one addresses the part of the face most women spend the most money on and often get the least return from. Number 4. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Eye Cream. Fragrance-free. Around $18 to $22. Women who would never spend $50 on a face moisturizer will spend $50 on an eye cream without hesitation. The skin is thinner there. The concern feels more urgent. And the luxury market understands this perfectly. Eye creams are where women tend to spend the most money. The skin is thinner there. The concerns are visible, crow's feet, dark circles, that hollowed look that appears after 50 when the fat pads shift, and luxury brands charge accordingly. Retinol is the most studied ingredient in dermatology for visible wrinkle reduction. Not the most hyped, the most studied. Decades of peer-reviewed research, published results, consistent outcomes. Many eye creams at $150 and $200 are selling the same core mechanism: retinol plus hyaluronic acid at a prestige price. This formula contains pure retinol, not a retinol ester, which is a weaker form, plus hyaluronic acid for hydration. Fragrance-free, paraben-free, mineral oil-free, ophthalmologist tested. Kenvue, which makes Neutrogena, reports that the brand is the most recommended retinol by dermatologists in the US, based on sales data. One important note, Neutrogena makes 2 versions of this eye cream, a fragranced version and a fragrance-free version. They sit on the same shelf in nearly identical packaging. The skin around the eyes is more reactive than anywhere else on the face. The fragrance-free version is the one that matters here. Check the ingredient list, not just the front label. Who it works for? Women with crow's feet, fine lines around the eyes, or dark circles who want a clinically supported ingredient in a formula designed specifically for the eye area. $18 to $22. Pure retinol. Ophthalmologist tested. Fragrance free. The next one is for a different kind of wrinkle problem, the deeper lines that a moisturizer alone cannot fully address. Number 3, Rose Retinol Correction Line Smoothing Night Serum Capsules. Around $25. Most women assume deeper wrinkles need a richer cream. Dermatologists often reach for a concentrated serum instead. Most women approach anti-aging through moisturizer. Something rich, something that feels like it is doing something. The skin feels softer. The appearance improves temporarily, but the lines are still there in the morning. There is a reason dermatologists talk about retinol serums differently from retinol moisturizers. A concentrated serum delivers active ingredient to the skin without the dilution of emollients. For women who want targeted correction of visible lines, not just hydration on top of them, it is a different tool for a different job. Rosy has one of the longest retail histories with retinol of any drugstore brand. The correction serum capsules use pure retinol, not an ester, sealed individually for optimal freshness and potency. Each capsule is 1 dose. The formula also contains ceramides and antioxidants alongside the retinol. Fragrance-free. Dermatologist tested. For balance, concentrated retinol serums can cause dryness and sensitivity during the first few weeks of use. Starting every other night and using a plain moisturizer after reduces the adjustment period. This is the same guidance dermatologists give for any retinol introduction, regardless of price. Who it works for? Women ready to add a targeted retinol treatment to their routine. Stronger and more direct than a retinol moisturizer. Applied at night after cleansing. The next one does something different from either retinol product on this list. It quietly combines 2 active ingredients that most women buy separately. Number 2. Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer. Around $28 to $32. Most women do not quit anti-aging products because they stopped working. They quit because the routine became too complicated. A retinol here. A niacinamide serum there. A separate moisturizer. By the time the routine has 4 steps, most women are skipping 2 of them. Most anti-aging products solve one problem at a time. A retinol serum for lines. A niacinamide serum for tone. A separate moisturizer to finish. Many women with mature skin are running 3 or 4 products that overlap, contradict, or simply never get used because the routine becomes too complicated. Olay Retinol 24 combines retinol with niacinamide, vitamin B3 in a single night moisturizer. That combination matters because niacinamide addresses the things retinol alone does not. Uneven tone, enlarged pores, redness, and the overall dullness that builds over decades of sun exposure. Together in one formula, they address more of how skin actually ages, not just one piece of it. The formula is gentler than a concentrated serum because the retinol is delivered in a moisturizer base. This makes it particularly well suited to women who are new to retinol, have more sensitive skin, or have found other retinol products too irritating in the past. Fragrance-free. Consumer Reports has cited Olay Regenerist as a top performer in anti-aging moisturizer testing, ahead of products costing 4 to 6 times the price. Many women are buying a retinol product, a niacinamide serum, and a moisturizer separately, spending on 3 products that do what this one does. Olay combines all 3 jobs into a single formula for around $30. Who it works for? Women who want overall improvement in skin quality, texture, tone, brightness, fine lines from a single nighttime product. Strong as a starting point for retinol or as a daily moisturizer for women already comfortable with the ingredient. 4 of these products were designed to fight aging. The last one was not. It was designed for something else entirely. And that is exactly why it may be the most impressive product on this list. Quick pause. After researching these 5 products, I kept coming back to the same observation. Most women are buying anti-aging products based on the story on the front label, not on what the formula actually does. I put together a free CleanShelf guide with the 5 ingredient patterns I now check before buying any skincare product. Link is in the description. It's free. And the last product on this list is the clearest example of why the ingredient list tells you more than the front label ever will. Number 1. Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion. Around $12 to $14 for nearly 17 ounces. One of the best anti-aging products on this list is not marketed as an anti-aging product at all. Most women walk right past this bottle every week. It sits in the dry skin section. White pump bottle. Plain label. The kind of thing a dermatologist hands to someone with eczema, not the kind of thing anyone associates with an anti-aging routine. Flip the bottle. The third ingredient, after water and glycerin, is urea. Urea is a compound found naturally in healthy skin that makes up roughly 7% of the skin's own moisture system. As skin ages, urea levels drop. That drop contributes to the thinning, the roughness, the crepe-like texture that appears on arms, chest, and neck. Here is what most women don't know about urea. It does not just add moisture. At a meaningful concentration, it gently helps loosen and shed the rough dead cells on the surface, the ones that make aging skin look dull and crepe-like. That is a renewal action, not just a hydration action. After urea, sodium lactate, a gentle AHA. That draws water into deeper skin layers. Then, lactic acid, then ceramide NP. Then a full set of natural moisturizing factors, the compounds the skin produces naturally to maintain its own moisture balance, and that decline with age. Glycogen, serine, carnitine, citrulline, these are not marketing words. They are listed on the label. Fragrance-free, paraben-free, dye-free, 48-hour hydration documented in clinical studies. Here is what makes this the most unexpected entry on this list. Anti-aging products are sold on aspiration. The design, the name, the counter, the price, all of it signals that this product is for women who take their skin seriously. Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion signals nothing of the kind. It looks exactly like what it is, a medical-grade dry skin formula. Nobody buys it hoping it will help aging skin. That is exactly why most women miss it. Beiersdorf owns both Eucerin and La Prairie, the same parent company that charges $335 for a luxury eye cream, one that Consumer Reports ranked near the bottom of its anti-aging testing, also makes a fragrance-free body lotion with urea, ceramides, and natural moisturizing factors for $12. Same owner. Two completely different decisions about what formula each customer deserves. The luxury anti-aging aisle sells renewal. This lotion delivers it, in a plain pump bottle, in the aisle nobody thinks to check, for under $15. Most women never notice this bottle because it does not look like anti-aging skincare. It looks like something for dry elbows. That is exactly what makes it the gold mine. 5 products. 5 problems. All under $35. The most unexpected one costs $12. Drop in the comments. Which of these 5 do you already use? And is there one here you are adding to your routine?